I'm here today to talk to you about Group 31s and testing. I brought two different 31s up here. One is the standard SAE automotive terminal, and the other one here is the 31 studs with the threaded terminals. So what I wanted to do, these are a little bit nicer when you're working with and trying to test a battery because you can hook right on to the lead terminals. Both of these CCAs are rated at 925. So I kind of wanted to talk to you how to properly test a battery. So I've got my TOPDON BT100W here. So we have a regular flooded battery here. We're going to click on CCAs because we're going to want to test the cold cranking amps of the battery. I've already preloaded in here that these are 925s, but you can on these testers change your CCAs up and down. So we're running the test of the battery now. We'll let it do its magic. It's saying it's a good battery, and the battery right now is testing at 1,028 CCAs. So once again, it's more than spec on our product. Now I want to get over and talk a little bit about the 31 stud. So what I've done here is I've kind of mimicked what it looks like in the semi when you sit with the pack of threes. So here are the cables coming off, along with the steel caps or the steel nuts on the top. So if I take the same tester over here and I come over to the battery, I still have 12.67 in voltage, so I have proper voltage to test the battery. We're going to go ahead and test the regular flooded again. We're going to test the CCAs. It is preloaded to 925. So we are running the test. So what I want to do is show you that it is telling me to replace the battery. The battery is not bad. The testers have a hard time reading through steel. So the steel caps that are on, or the steel nuts that are used on the top are problems, along with the steel studs coming out. So if I take the same battery and I go and I hook just to the studs, now I've taken it out, and now I want to test the battery. I still have proper voltage at 12.6 to test. I'm going to do the test. I'm going to test a regular flooded again. I'm going to test the CCAs, and it's 925. So now we will let it do its test. Once again, it's telling me to replace the battery. But now I want to demonstrate by using the lead terminals that come with testers in order to test them. The thing with the batteries are, especially on the steel or on the 31 studs, this is where it gets its testing ability through, is the lead that's here. And that's why it could test so well on the 31 post, because it's got lead all the way around. So if I take my adapters, screw them down tight and snug, I'm going to take my TOPDON tester once again, and I'm going to do a battery test, a regular flooded, CCAs, and 925. Says it's a good battery, and it's 1,016 CCAs. So what I wanted to do today was to show you that by using the right equipment, you will come to the correct results on testing a battery. This is Grant with BWI Outlet. We'll get you turned on.